Welcome to the Rustic Planters, where inspiring garden ideas transform ordinary outdoor spaces into extraordinary retreats. Today, we're exploring Herb Garden Patio Ideas with boutique charm, a delightful approach that blends practical gardening with elegant outdoor styling. Whether your patio is large or small, you'll discover timeless ideas that make every corner feel inviting and full of life. Imagine stepping onto a patio filled with fragrant rosemary, lavender, basil, thyme, and mint, all beautifully arranged in stylish containers and charming displays. These gardens don't just provide fresh herbs for your kitchen. They create a peaceful destination where beauty and function work together every single day. Before we begin, please subscribe to the Rustic Planters. Give this video a thumbs up and share your favorite herb or patio decorating idea in the comments below. Your support helps our gardening community continue growing with fresh inspiration every week. Every boutique-inspired herb garden begins with a thoughtful layout that feels balanced and welcoming. Instead of scattering pots randomly, create intentional groupings that guide the eye while leaving comfortable walking paths throughout the patio. A well-organized arrangement immediately creates a refined atmosphere. Choose planters in complementary materials such as aged terracotta, weathered stone, ceramic, or natural wood. Keeping a consistent color palette allows the herbs themselves to become the vibrant stars of the display while maintaining a sophisticated overall appearance. Place taller herbs toward the back of seating areas while allowing compact varieties to soften edges and borders. This layered arrangement creates depth and makes even a modest patio feel professionally designed with boutique elegance. A charming herb garden should delight both the senses and everyday living. Lavender introduces graceful texture and calming fragrance, while rosemary adds architectural structure that anchors container arrangements with timeless appeal. Basil, parsley, oregano, sage, thyme, and chives contribute rich shades of green while remaining wonderfully useful in daily cooking. Mixing leaf shapes and plant heights creates visual interest that keeps displays attractive throughout the growing season. Consider adding flowering herbs that attract beneficial pollinators while enhancing your patio with seasonal color. Their blossoms introduce delicate accents that complement elegant containers and decorative accessories without overwhelming the refined design. Layer containers of different heights to build visual rhythm across the patio. Raised plant stands, wooden crates, vintage stools, and decorative shelves help showcase herbs while making every display feel carefully curated rather than crowded. Mix round, square, and rectangular planters while maintaining harmony through coordinated finishes. Repeating similar materials across the space creates consistency and allows each planting arrangement to contribute to a polished boutique appearance. Decorative plant markers, woven baskets for garden tools, and attractive watering cans provide thoughtful finishing touches. These small details elevate the patio from a simple herb garden into a welcoming outdoor destination filled with personality. Herbs pair beautifully with climbing vines, flowering annuals, and compact ornamental plants that soften hard patio surfaces. Carefully combining textures creates an inviting landscape that feels lush without becoming overwhelming or difficult to maintain. Introduce natural materials such as gravel, brick edging, timber planters, or stone pathways to establish warmth and timeless character. These elements frame the herb collections while reinforcing the boutique-inspired atmosphere throughout the outdoor space. Vintage accessories like antique watering cans, rustic lanterns, decorative ladders, or reclaimed wooden boxes add layers of charm that complement fresh greenery and make the patio feel lovingly collected over time. A boutique herb patio is meant to be experienced, not simply admired. Include a comfortable bench, cafe table, or cozy seating arrangement where fresh aromas can be enjoyed during quiet mornings or relaxing evenings outdoors. Arrange seating so it naturally faces the most attractive herb displays. This creates a pleasant visual connection with the garden while encouraging moments of relaxation surrounded by fragrant plants and carefully selected decorative features. Add outdoor cushions, woven textiles, and elegant serving trays to transform the patio into an extension of the home. These thoughtful comforts make harvesting herbs and spending time outdoors feel like part of a refined daily routine. Regular pruning encourages herbs to remain full, healthy, and productive while preserving their attractive shapes. Frequent harvesting also helps many varieties continue producing fresh growth throughout much of the growing season. Refresh container arrangements by replacing tired plants, adding seasonal herbs, or updating decorative accents as the months change. Small adjustments maintain visual excitement without requiring a complete redesign of the patio. Consistent watering, quality soil, and occasional feeding ensure the entire garden remains vibrant and welcoming year after year. With thoughtful care, your boutique-inspired herb patio becomes an enduring source of beauty, fragrance, and everyday enjoyment. A beautifully designed herb garden patio proves that practical gardening and elegant outdoor living can exist together in perfect harmony. With carefully chosen herbs, refined containers, and charming decorative details, every patio can become a peaceful retreat filled with natural beauty and fresh inspiration. Thank you so much for joining us here on the Rustic Planters. If you enjoyed these Herb Garden Patio ideas with boutique charm, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share your favorite idea or gardening tip in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're creating your own beautiful herb retreat. We appreciate your time and support, and we can't wait to bring you more inspiring home garden design ideas in our next video. Until then, keep planting, keep creating, and enjoy every beautiful moment in your garden.